viewers, I'm Sangeeta, your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn the construction of right angle. Okay, now what is right angle? You all know that right angle is the angle which measures exactly equal to 90-degree angle. Okay, now 90-degree angle, any example we'll take first. I'm going to consider the angle XYZ which is equal to 90-degree. As the definition only says that the angle which is equal to 90-degree is called as right angle. Now, first of all, I'll draw the baseline with any measurement and I'll name this point as Y and this point as Z. Any name you can name here, because as I have named here Y, because the reason is you all know that the middle letter will be the vertex point for the angle. Every angle the middle letter will be the vertex point, and then so we have to name the vertex point as Y here, and here you can name X or Z. Any name you can take like X or Z, as the name of the angle is XYZ. The end points will be showing the end points of the rays. I have taken the base ray as YZ, so I named here, and now you can see the I'm going to construct this angle from the right side, and how to construct the angle and how to adjust the protractor I have already showed in the previous videos. Like that wise we have arranged here the protractor. Now we are going to count it from the right side: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. As our 90-degree angle line is pointing here, we'll take here the point, and after marking the point we should join these two points, vertex point and that point. We'll get here exactly 90-degree angle, and I'm going to name this point as X. Here our 90-degree angle XYZ is ready. Now I will show you how to construct the same angle from how to count it from left side. Okay, now draw the any baseline which is pointing towards the left side and name it as vertex point is same only Y we should keep, and you can name it like Z or X. If I'll name here X, then we are going to get the Z point there. Here already we have taken YZ base. Now I'll take some different, that is X. XY is base. Now here it's not like that you should take X only, you can take here Z also. And now adjust the protractor. But here in this case we are going to count the scales of upper scale. Okay, here you can see it that our ray is pointing towards 0, and now we are going to start from 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. As you now started counting from left side, we are going to get again 90 here. You can see it clearly. After getting that point, as usual we'll now join the vertex point and this point and name the another point of this angle, that is Z. Now here we get the 90-degree angle, that is right angle. That is, here the angle name is XYZ. It's not like that. We can construct the angles only from the right side, or we can also count it from left. How to construct it both ways and how to use the protractor, both lower scale and upper scale, I have showed you in this video. And how to construct the 90-degree angle you have come to know now. You also try it, how to construct the 90-degree angle with different names, and comment me on the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel and keep sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. and also press the bell button to get the notification in the correct time. Okay, bye bye, take care till then.